Hello guys, I just bought the Devialet Phantom II speakers. This is the speaker that has 98 decibels, so there are two models, 195 and 198, and this is the Devialet Phantom II. For now, for $1,400, this is enough for me. Inside the box we have two manuals that no one reads, power cord. This is the most used power cord, and here inside, oh, it is very heavy. Wow. I did not expect to be that heavy. Wow, it looks very good. Here we have two woofers. I think they are 5.5-inch woofers. This is very small for such a powerful speaker. It reaches 98 decibels, and on the internet I find that the speaker has 400 watts of power. So 400 watts of power, even the JBL Boombox 3 that is much bigger doesn't have. But we will see now how is the quality of sound and what feature that it has. So we can connect here on the back side. We have the charging port, the on and off button, the internet cable, and here we have the mini optical cable, so the Toslink Mini. Okay, and now let's power it on. You can see here that a little LED is blinking. On the front it says Devialet, even on the back, so it is mirror. Let's power it on. On the top of the speaker we have here the buttons, the volume, the play and stop button, and the Bluetooth button. Let's see if we can find it on the phone to put a song on it. Okay, so it says Phantom, not 2, not 98 decibels, just Phantom. Associate. That was the sound. It is very different from the JBL speakers, but it sounds good. It is very heavy. It is very heavy. The on and off button, it presses very hard. On the back it says only Phantom. And yeah, let's play a song to see how it will sound. I am very curious. Remember, this cost $1,400. This is way expensive, and to use this you need two of them to play in stereo mode. Of course you can use in mono, but optimal is for you to buy two. Okay, play. That was at maximum volume. As you saw in the video, these two membranes move because here we have two 5.5-inch woofers, and so they move simultaneously. And here we have the tweeter. In the back we have this radiator from metal, I guess, and here is a plastic. It looks very good. It is very heavy. That was very interesting, but for $1,300, I expected much more. I will play a different song. Maybe that wasn't the best song for it. Remember, I have tested, I think, every speaker on the market, but this did not impress me at all. That was better with this song. You saw the bass was much deeper, but 400 watts of power, 98 decibels. I don't think this is that loud. Of course, the bass it is much lower. It reaches 14 hertz. The bass it is much pleasant, but even at low volume, the bass it is very present. $1,400. Okay, so my first impressions: very heavy, beautiful design, two good woofers, a good tweeter. Of course, I have connected with the Bluetooth. You should connect this via optical to the TV or via internet to play song from Tidal to hear at the best quality of sound. But yeah, in my opinion, it doesn't worth it. I will do a couple of tests to see how loud it is with a decibel meter. I will do with different song, and I will give you my full review in a couple of days. But for now, I will definitely go with the JBL Boombox 3, the Wi-Fi model that cost only $400, or I don't know, even the $300, the JBL Extreme 4. I think it is almost the same loud. I will do some tests and I will give you my impressions, but for now, no. What is your opinion? Feel free to subscribe to AudioTribe YouTube channel, and please hit that like button. Cheers!